so I came to the Tesla service center today because I actually got towed here because of my flat tire. You all know all about that story already. And I ran into Richard here that I met at Cyber Rodeo, and we talked for days there at Cyber Rodeo. Just happened to run into each other at this Tesla service center. And Richard wants to suggest a software update for Tesla, and he has been a software engineer for what, 20 something years?
About 33 years.
And he is a Tesla Model S owner, 2015. And so I want everyone to hear his idea for switching up the navigation and just making it easier for everyone. So tell me what you wanted to do.
Well, I would like to see, it seems to me it would be a copy and paste sort of change to the navigator. In the navigator, if you click on the navigator, it drops down all of these old destinations. If you want to get rid of those old destinations, you pick one, you swipe it off and it disappears. You swipe off the next one and it disappears. You just swipe your finger and it disappears. I would think it would be a simple copy and paste modification to add that functionality to the directions. Like if you put into the navigator, I want to go to destination A, and then it gives you a list of instructions to get to the destination A, but you don't want to go that way because you know you've been to destination before, you know that there's issues going that way, and you don't want to go that way. You should be able to pick a point in the destination list to swipe and delete, and from that point on it would delete the directions and reroute. And you can keep repeating that swipe delete until it takes the route that you want to go on to get to destination A. And if you wanted to go back to the original, you can cancel that and say again, navigate to destination A, and it would put up the original list of instructions. And then you could start over if you want to reroute. Just swipe delete a particular instruction, and from that point on it would delete and reroute to destination A. That's my idea. It seems like it would be a simple fix for the older cars like my 2015 that doesn't have the hardware to use the new software.
Yeah, because I know we got a new software update. I have the 2020 Model 3, and they just finally, like last week, I think I got the update where it gives you multiple options for multiple routes to go to the same destination. I haven't actually messed with it or used it yet, but I know that that's not going to be an option for you. So you're just proposing an easier software update for the older models so they can take advantage of the multiple route options as well, correct?
That's correct.
Okay.
And you just swipe and delete and it'll reroute.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it seems easy. So if we can just get this to the Tesla engineers and have them give this option to the older Tesla owners, that's the goal here with this video, right?
Yes, that's right. That's the whole point. And if they don't have time to do that, send me a laptop with software on it and I'll do it myself.
Yeah, and I know he will.
I'll do it for free.
He will. I know Richard, and he will fix it. Anyway, that's our little proposal for Tesla. I mean, that would be an awesome, easy fix if they could do that.
It seems like it would be.
Yeah, it's unfortunate for...
Since they already have that functionality in the list of destinations, they just add that functionality to the list of instructions.
Yeah. Yeah, it sucks for all the old, older owners, not you, but the older models of Tesla that have the old computers. They don't get to take advantage of these really cool software updates. And I know that comes with getting a new car, but the awesome thing about Tesla is everyone says, oh my gosh, when they get older, you're gonna have to trade them in. They're gonna be expensive to keep. He has a 2015, and he's about to get to 100,000 miles, and it's still going strong.
It's still a perfect car.
It's like, why spend the money and get a new one? So
yeah, I don't need a new one. I like my old one.
Exactly. I like my old one too. I didn't want to get a 2021, so that's why I got the 2020. And sometimes we just like the older ones that we got.
Tesla used car inventory. That's the way to go.
Yep, I agree. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Everyone share this so we can get that option for the older computer in the older Tesla models. So let me know what y'all think about this. You have this this issue as well. What do you think about this proposal? I know a lot of you have older Teslas, so I'm sure that you're thinking, yeah, that would be awesome to be able to get the multiple route option, like all the new owners have.
Yeah,